king money toad or money frog represents a popular feng shui charm for prosperity. It is said that this mythical creature appears during full moon near houses or businesses that will soon receive good news. The nature of this good news is understood to be wealth-related most of the time. The money frog has a lot of different names. Some of the most commonly used names: 1. Wealth frog. 2. Money toad. 3. Lucky money frog. 4. Fortune frog. 5. Three-legged prosperity toad, and many more. The Chinese name of the money frog is Chanshu. Quite often the money frog is portrayed as a three-legged toad with a coin in its mouth. It feels as if the toad is ready to jump into the house bringing all the money. The money frog represents wealth and money in a materialistic way, and because of that it is beneficial for everyone to place a money frog, whether it is an owner, business or a person doing a job. Since Feng Shui is all about correct placement and orientation of tools to attract the best of positive energies towards us, there are certain Feng Shui rules, tips and guidelines that need to be followed while placing the money frog. These rules are there to ensure that the money frog helps you attract money and not flush away all of the money that you have got. The money frog is also capable of flushing away everything you have in terms of wealth and money. So here are some tips on what to do and what not to do while placing your money frog. Money frog placement tips. What to do. The money frog should be placed near the entrance. The money frog should be facing inside. Placing it in the southeast direction of the living room is good for businessmen. To enhance your career, the money frog should be placed in the northern direction of the living room. It should be placed on top of a table. Money frog placement tips. What not to do. Make sure that if you have only one money frog, it should not be facing outwards. The money frog should not be placed in the bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. The money frog should never be placed on the ground. Make sure the money frog is not broken. There should be no cutlery near the money frog. Now that you know how to place your money frog, another important thing that you need to know is how to activate it for the money frog to start attracting wealth and money. Activating a money frog is very important. If the money frog is just kept without activating it, most likely will not attract any money towards you. To activate money frog, follow these steps. Tying the red ribbon around your money frog will activate it. If you do not wish to use the ribbon, placing your money frog on a rag paper will activate it. If your money frog already has a red ribbon on it, then it is already activated and you do not need to activate it again.